They say that legacy must continue for posterity. Manav Rachna was the first university where Justice Lahoti got associated and was the first principal advisor to the Board of Advisors for the School of Law. His ideals of integrity, hard work, sincerity towards the profession is the motto which must be kept in mind by all the students of Manav Rachna University, especially the students of School of Law. Justice Lahoti has dedicated a law library in the memories of his great father and freedom fighter Ratanlal Ji Lahoti. The library is a good resource of books, journals, law commentaries where the students are going every day to enrich their knowledge, to gain from the experience which are well documented in various autobiographies, biographies. I think Manav Rachna is on the right path to continue the legacy of Justice R.C. Lahoti. And the topic for the discussion which has been chosen was very dear to the heart of Justice Lahoti. And 4 principles which I learned while living with him was: number 1, time management. He always used to say that an inch of time is an inch of gold, but with an inch of gold, you cannot buy an inch of time. So as a lawyer, as a judge, you need to have a proper time management. The second principle which he said was that a law student must learn law and should practice with integrity. Integrity is not only of an individual, but integrity towards the profession, integrity towards the clients, integrity towards your colleagues, towards your family and towards your friends. The next point which he used to press was hard work. Now there is no shortcut to hard work, and Justice Lahoti has risen from ground to the pinnacle of legal profession by sheer hard work, his perseverance and dedication towards the society. He was a preacher of how a student can become a nation builder, and he himself was the living example that a person from a village can rise to the top of the profession. So we must adhere to the principles what Justice Lahoti used to preach: time management, integrity, honesty and work ethics.